Hello everyone. Today this is going to be a demo for a backend project, Django REST API. So I have developed this project maintaining a CI/CD pipeline and deployed the project to Amazon EC2 instance. So I have used Jenkins for build automation and Docker for containerization, and for source code management I have used GitHub. So let's have a look on the project scope. So this is a personal portfolio project, and this project is serving as a backend project, backend API for Project Electroverse, so, which is a part of the full stack application. And the project is connected with a backend database. This is called Amazon Web Service RDS storage, and all the media files are uploaded to Amazon Web Service S3 bucket. So we will see all those things in our demo demonstration. So let's have a look on the Jenkins dashboard. So this is the Jenkins job. So here we have a Jenkins file, a Jenkins script, pipeline script for doing all the automation. So let's have a look on the GitHub repository for this project. So this is the GitHub repository, and we have lots of commits there. Okay, so this is the source code, and this is the project link. So if we want to go to the source code, I have made some changes in the README file. The deployment pipeline is activated. The Jenkins build automation is activated when a GitHub push is triggered in the master branch. So for example, here we will see a new build triggered, and a new Docker container will be spinned up in our Amazon EC2 instance here. For example, we have been connected to our Amazon EC2 instance. So let's check if any Docker container is running already or not. So sudo Docker images. So we see there is no image currently, and let's check if we have a container running already. So Docker, and we see there is no container running. So our Docker Amazon Web Service Docker is almost actually empty right now. So as soon as the GitHub push will be triggered in the master branch, it will be automatically running a new build. So our last build number is 16. So a new build by 17 will be triggered. So let's have a look. So here the README file has been updated, and if we see our GitHub desktop, there is a change. So we check first the GitHub repository update. So git status. So we can see the README file has been changed. So we make a commit right now, and as soon as we push the commit to a remote repository, the build will be started automatically. So this is dated README. Okay, so I commit to the local repository, and I will push it to the remote. So git origin master branch. So yes, and here if we see here, a new build has been triggered automatically by Jenkins. And if we see the details, the console output, we can easily see the Jenkins is doing its job after pulling the source code into the Amazon EC2 instance. It's running a Docker build and the build is successful. So if we go to our home, see the build number 17 is successful. That means here in our Amazon EC2 instance, the new Docker container should be running. So we can check it, sudo docker psa. Yes, we can see that the container is already up and running. So let's have a look on the API. So our API link is here. If we check, it will show the list of products. So for there are some images. So each product has its own image according to the product specification, and the image has been uploaded to S3 bucket of Amazon Web Service. So that's a separate instance on Amazon S3 instance, and we are using another instance of RDS Amazon Web Service for storing our data. So there are some other API endpoints we can check. For example, if we API users login, so this endpoint will be served for login purpose. So basically these operations will be done from the front end application basically. So there are some more endpoints for user registration, and so the list of all the endpoints I can explain here. Let's look at the project homepage and the Git repository. So here we will see all the useful endpoints, and more endpoints will be added as the project grows, since the project is still under development, continuous development. So yes, this is almost the end of our demonstration, and